Good morning, everyone. It is TGI Friday, or it could be a WT Friday. So, what the Friday? Yep, it could be that. We'll see. All right, a few quick notes. Quad witchings today, so expect a little extra volatility. And one thing I know my chart looks a little different this morning, and I'll get into that later. Oil. Yesterday, so a couple things really. We had a really good day in the market, and then we came down yesterday. Although we hit a new all-time high in the Dow, we ended on the downside. A couple things kind of weighing on the market. Treasury yield ticked up a little bit this morning. That is ticked back down, giving us a little boost in the market. And oil took this huge spill. See, oil spill. All right, that's funny. I swear it's funny. Okay, oil spill. Anyway, look at this. We came incredibly close to hitting that 20, and look at the volume on that. These are the oil futures. This is the light sweet crude, and the Brent crude looks very similar, although the Brent crude's struggling to stay, maybe get into the green. It's flipping back and forth here. But this is important. Keep an eye. Let's see, it just turns green. Keep an eye on oil. Oil pulling down. If it pulls down and goes below that 50, we could see some increased selling pressure in the overall markets. And then, of course, keep an eye on the Treasury yield. As it ticks up, markets get spooked a little bit and pull back. However, I do believe that if we get the Treasury yield to kind of stabilize a little bit here, I think we'll take another leg up in the market. But we've been at all-time highs, near all-time highs, hitting all-time highs here pretty recently. Within the last several weeks. So all-time highs are really hard, right? They're exhausting. Okay, so what are we watching for this morning? This one yesterday, we saw UNP get hit with a lot of calls. It was, I think it was the highest call opening order volume. So opening orders, I filtered by opening orders. And nice little chart here, even though we pulled back at the end of the day with the market. We brought the 3 back to the 8 here. There's plenty of room. There's this little bit of congestion here, but you can see up here there's not. I put the volume profile up here because some other traders use it, and they were asking about it and how I would use it. So I decided I'll go ahead and put it on my chart for a while, and we'll take a good watch of it. But here you can see that the volume in these candles is pretty light. So that gives us lots of room to move through this area. So UNP, the ones that got hit were the August 20th, 220. So I'm going to go ahead and put that out as the call today. I'd like the August 20th, 220s on UNP. Amgen, look at these moving averages, really nice and tight. We have extended a bit from those moving averages, and I drew this line in actually a while ago. This is a pretty decent line. You can go all the way back here to November. You can see this a little bit of selling pressure right there. I like this on a move higher today. I think it really has some legs in it. So Amgen hold on. Gotta make sure I got this right. Can't read my own handwriting this morning. Yeah, the 6/18. Okay, June 18th. Wow, I really can't read my handwriting. All right, June 18th, 250s on Amgen. All right, so this one we had in the watch list on Wednesday, and I'm coming back to it. It's getting to be summertime. The reason it originally made the watch list was a look and a close here over the 50. We did that. And we're just kind of cruising up a little bit. We do have this funky candle yesterday, but again, it pulled back with the rest of the market. I think a move nicely above the high on this is where I would take a look. And so those that I would be watching are the July. So 7/16, tap, 50 strike. Okay, some others that look pretty good. Target, if we get a nice close over the 20, nice room from the 20 to the 50 there, so I like the look in Target. Home Depot, this one was brought up in the room. Look at this, we came right up to those highs, so I would really be looking above yesterday's highs for the next move. And of course, if you're looking at Home Depot, you might as well take a little peek at Lowe's. Same idea. You can see this level here. Anything above, say, 176.20 area, I like. Keep an eye on some of the Bitcoin plays again today. Bitcoin has been, it's always really volatile. To be honest, it's just always volatile. But keep an eye on these. I think both Mara and Riot might give a nice little entry, and Riot in particular has plenty of room up to that 79.50. VUZI, look at that, tried to make some highs there. I didn't find any options on these. But I think if we can clear up and get a nice strong close above, say, 24, I think we might make a nice little run there. Equity, because I didn't find any options on there that I would be interested in. And to go along with the UMP play, you can also take a look at CSX. I like CSX here up over 94, about 94, 94.30. Okay, that is it for me today. I hope you have a fantastic Friday, and I hope you come join us in the chat room. If you have any questions, Heather C at Giving Tree Trading, or send me a private message. I'll see you soon.